Hello guys, welcome to our channel. You are learning. So in this video we are going to discuss about finding minimum and maximum using divide and conquer method. In the previous video we have already discussed about divide and conquer method and defective chessboard. If you're missing that, please watch that and come back to this video for better understanding. So it is also an easy process guys. So it is nothing but we have to take some list of elements guys which should be unordered. Okay, so here I am taking an example of 2 30 15 42 60 92 and 41 guys. So these are 7 elements which I am taking. So the rules here are, the first formula is mid value guys. So firstly we have to find the mid value. So the mid value formula is low value plus high value by 2. So the low value means the element. Here there are 7 elements guys. The lowest element is of index 0 and the highest element is of index 6. So the lowest index value is 2. So the low value is 2 here. The highest index value is 6 and the highest value here is 41 guys. So firstly we have to add 2 plus 41, that is lowest index value plus highest index value by 2 guys. So the mid value is 0 plus 6 by 2, that is 3. So we are adding the index values, lowest index and highest index value. So we are getting a mid value. So according to the mid value we are dividing the list of elements into sub list. So the index value here is 3. So at index 3 we are dividing the elements into sub elements. From index 0 to 3 one list, and 4 to 6 another list of elements. Similarly for all the sub list we are again dividing the sub list into sub list, that is 0 plus 3 by 2, that is 1.5 considering 1. So 0 and 1 are in a single list of elements and 2 and 3 are in single list of elements. Similarly on right hand side 4 plus 6 by 2, that is 5. So at index 5 4 and 5 are getting into one list and 6 is in another list. So our approach is nothing but here, so we have to find the maximum and minimum value, right guys? So taking the last list which is divided completely, comparing the first list here is 2 comma 30, right? So the minimum value here is 2 and the maximum value is 30. And similarly for second one 15 and 42, the minimum value is 15 and maximum value is 42. Similarly for 4 and 5 index, minimum value is 60, maximum value is 92. And here only the single element, so minimum value here is 41 and maximum value also 41. So firstly we have to compare 0 and 1 and 2 and 3. So we have to compare the first list here. So comparing this, in these 4 elements the minimum element is 2 and the maximum element is 42. So we are getting minimum element as 2 and maximum element as 42. Similarly we have to compare these 3 elements. So here the minimum element is 41, maximum element is 92. So we are getting these 2 elements. So again we have to compare the 2 elements here. So comparing these 4 elements 2, 42, 41 and 92, we are getting minimum value as 2 and maximum value as 92. So this is what finding minimum and maximum using divide and conquer approach. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.